d by dx sin inverse x is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. D by dx cos inverse x minus 1 root of 1 minus x square. D by dx tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. D by dx cot inverse x minus 1 by 1 plus x square. D by dx secant inverse x 1 by mod x root of x square minus 1. D by dx cosecant inverse x minus 1 mod x root of x square minus 1. Start చేసేదా 1 integration 1 minus x square root dx sin inverse x plus c. Second integration 1 minus x square dx minus cos inverse x plus c. Third integration 1 by 1 plus x square dx tan inverse x plus c. 4 integration 1 plus x square dx minus cot inverse x plus c. 5 integration mod x s square minus 1 dx secant inverse x plus c. Or integration 1 by mod x x square minus 1 dx minus cosecant inverse x plus c.